In this video, I'll show you how to build affiliate income with GoHighLevel and turn the platform into a steady stream of passive revenue. Step 1. Sign up for GoHighLevel affiliate program. You'll earn recurring commissions every month for each customer who stays subscribed. Step 2. For businesses only commissions. Who you'll focus on. Step 3. Create content that solves problems. Make tutorials, case studies, or templates showing how GoHighLevel helps businesses get more clients. Provide real value so people trust your recommendations. Step 4. Use funnel to capture leads. Build your own GoHighLevel funnel with a freebie, like a funnel template or an automation guide, and add your affiliate link on the thank you page and emails. Step 5. Automate follow-ups. Send an email or SMS sequence that explains the benefits, gives tips, and reminds leads to sign up through your link. Step 6. Scale. Share your funnel across YouTube, TikTok, blogs, and LinkedIn. The more traffic you drive, the more recurring affiliate income you'll build. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.